Hello, I'm Jodi Ginsberg of Ginsberg Law Offices. In many workers' compensation cases, there will be a nurse case manager who is assigned. That is not the insurance adjuster who is there to decide whether or not you can get medical care, whether or not you get weekly benefit checks, whether you get your mileage reimbursement or things of that nature. The nurse case manager is just that, a nurse who is there to presumably help facilitate your medical care. In many cases, the nurse case manager might show up at your doctor's appointment. You should always know who is in the room with you when you're seeing the doctor. I'm not talking about the nurse who may be working for that particular doctor at his or her practice. I'm talking about an outside nurse who shows up, who's assigned by the insurance company to try to get the doctor to maybe release you back to work, question why the doctor is ordering a particular test. The first thing you need to understand is that you have every right to see the doctor, the medical provider that you're assigned to, by yourself and perhaps with your family member, and no outside nurse should be in that room with you. Now, the doctor who has a nurse working in his facility, of course, can be in there, but any outside nurse should not be in that room with you. After you have an exam and you speak with your doctor as a patient, one-on-one, you can then invite that nurse case manager to come into the room and the three of you can have a conversation. Sometimes the nurse will do that, and other times they will wait until you leave and then they will talk with the doctor separately. So please understand that there's in many cases a nurse case manager who is pushing against perhaps what you would like to have done, whether it be another test, the need for surgery, the work restrictions that the doctor discussed with you, and that nurse case manager may be in there saying, well, why are you keeping that person out of work? Or can't they go back to light duty? Or why do they really need that MRI? So understand that you being your own advocate is very, very important. If we are working on your behalf, we're going to discuss that with you, and we're going to give you the information that you need in your case to help facilitate a good outcome for you. You can reach me at 770-351-0801 if you'd like help with your case. Thank you. Hi, this is Jodi, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you'd like to know more about all rights and benefits available to you under the Georgia Workers' Injury Laws, I'd like to invite you to download my Georgia Workers' Compensation Survival Kit that I created for folks just like you. Some of the topics I cover include: can I get fired for filing a work injury claim? 8 critical mistakes to avoid. Is it true that the insurance company will hire a private investigator to follow me around and videotape my activities? What happens when the insurance company is late with my weekly wage payments? 7 specific tactics I recommend to maximize your case settlement value. If you or a loved one needs to maximize your recovery from your Georgia workers' compensation claim, you'll find this survival kit important reading. Download your survival kit right now and at no cost. Just visit my website and sign up. It's that easy. Please act now, and as always, I wish you the best.